Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to build instant trust on your Shopify store with real product reviews? In this video, I will show you how to import reviews from Aliexpress directly into your Shopify store step by step, even if you are just starting out. When you are dropshipping from Aliexpress, your product page looks empty without reviews, but importing real customer reviews, photos, ratings, and feedback can help build trust, boost conversions, and reduce returns. It's super easy with the right tool. Go to your Shopify dashboard, click on Add Apps, and then go to the Shopify App Store. Search for one of these apps like Ali Reviews. Judge.me looks for photo reviews. For this tutorial, I will use Ali Reviews, which has a free plan that works well. Click Add App, then click on Install. And next, Install and give the necessary permissions to connect your store from here. Click Sign up for free. Once you are in the app, go to Import Reviews from Manage Reviews. Import reviews for your product here. Paste your Aliexpress product URL. Select number of reviews to import. Star ratings. Choose to include photo reviews, language filters, then hit import now. And boom, reviews will be added to your products in seconds. Now go to the display settings. And choose how the reviews show up, grid or list layout, verified buyer badge. You can even change the colors to match your store's branding. Once you are happy, click Save Changes. Now go to your product page and check it out. Your Aliexpress review are live. They will look native to your Shopify store, and you can even manually delete or edit reviews if needed. And that's it. You have just added real reviews from Aliexpress to your Shopify store without any coding. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on how to automate reviews, importing, or set up review request emails next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.